My dear students, today I am going to discuss some maths problem for class 10. So these days you are having some of you are having half-yearly exams. So I hope this discussion will benefit you. So these are some questions from previous exams. So let us see. Now the first question is, find the value of k. Find the value of k if 2x square minus kx plus k equal to 0 if this equation has equal roots. So this is a question. So find the value of k if this quadratic equation 2x square minus kx plus k equal to 0 has equal roots. So here we are going to use that concept of determinant. So what is determinant? So determinant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now for this quadratic equation, so 2 is a, minus k is b, and this k is c. Alright. Therefore, what will be b square minus 4ac? So b square will be k square minus k square is k square minus 4ac. So 4 to the 8, 8k. So b square minus 4ac. So b is minus k square is k square, minus k square is k square, then minus 4ac, 4 into 2 into k, 8k. So this is a discriminant. Now since the equation has equal roots, therefore discriminant is 0. So therefore discriminant equal to 0. Why discriminant is 0? Because the equation has equal roots. Alright. So therefore k square minus 8k equal to 0. So from here what you get, k equal to, if you solve you will get k equal to 0 or 8. So simple. I mean, solve this, take k common, so you get what? If you take k common, you get k minus 8 equal to 0. So either k equal to 0 or this equal to 0, that means k equal to 8. So 0 and 8. So what was the question? Find the value of k. So you got the value of k, 0 and 8. So here in this equation, in this question, we have used that concept of determinant, b square minus 4ac. Okay. Alright, this was the question 1. Now question 2. So write the polynomial if sum of the zeros equal to 2. Sum of the zeros equal to 2 and product of the zeros equal to minus 8. So this is the second question. So write the polynomial if sum of the zeros equal to 2 and product is minus 2. Right? Okay, so we'll assume here that alpha and beta are the two zeros. So let alpha and beta be the two roots. Not here. This is not an equation. Therefore, we will call zeros. Two zeros. So the polynomial. Now polynomial is general polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, isn't it? Now we'll assume let alpha and beta be the two zeros of the polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so that is a polynomial. So we have assumed alpha and beta are the two roots. So therefore, according to condition what? Alpha plus beta equal to 2 and alpha beta equal to what? Minus 8. So according to question, sum of the zeros alpha plus beta equal to 2 and product of the zero alpha beta equal to minus 8. Now alpha plus beta, so that is minus b by a. Sum of the zeros is minus b by a and product of the zeros is c by a. So that concept. Alright. So from here, let us see, therefore, now alpha plus beta is what? Minus b by a, minus b by a. So that is equal to 2. And product is what? C by a. C by a equal to minus 8. So from here we get b equal to minus twice a. So minus b equal to twice a, so b equal to minus twice a, and from here what we get? C equal to minus 8a. So we have got b and c in terms of a. So b equal to minus twice a and c equal to minus 8a. So therefore, so let me write it here. So therefore, now put the value. So ax square. Therefore, the polynomial is ax square plus bx plus bx. What is b? B is minus 2a. So minus 2a x plus c. C is what? Minus 8a. So minus 8a is the polynomial, is the required polynomial. All right. Now we have to simplify. So what we get? Simplifying, ax square minus 2ax minus 8a, isn't it? So that is the polynomial. All right. Now we will get rid of this a. So take a common. So if you take a common, what do you get? X square minus twice x minus 8. So therefore the answer is, final polynomial is, therefore the required polynomial is x square minus twice x minus 8. This is the answer. X square minus twice x minus 8. So this is the way you do. So sum is given, product is given. From there you find out, express b and c in terms of a. Express b in terms of a, express c in terms of a. Then the polynomial is this one. So you put the value of a and b and c. B and c we put the value. Then simplifying we get. So take that a out. So whatever remains within bracket, this is the answer. This is the required polynomial, and that is the answer. Okay. All right. Now next question is about from trigonometry. It is from trigonometry. So as I told you, these are quite common questions in exam. Okay, so that is question number 3. So you have to prove, this is trigonometry, prove root over 1 plus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta. 1 plus sine theta by 1 minus sine theta equal to sec theta plus tan theta. So this is an identity, trigonometric identity. So prove 1 plus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta by 1 minus sine theta equal to sec theta plus tan theta. Okay. All right. Now you see, the left hand side is already simplified in terms of sine, but right hand side is not simplified. They are not in terms of sine and cos. So the general rule is express tan, cot and sine and cosec and sec in terms of sine and cos. So try to express the other trigonometric ratios in terms of sine and cos. This is already in sine and cos, therefore we will not touch it. So we will start from right hand side. We will try to simplify it and get this one. So right hand side equal to this one, sec theta. Sec theta is what? 1 by cos theta plus tan theta. Tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. All right. Yes. Now let us simplify more. So cos theta. So we are starting from right hand side because it is complicated. This is simple. So cos theta, what you get? 1 plus sine theta. Now keep an eye on what we are going to get. We have to get 1 plus sine theta and 1 minus sine theta. Now 1 plus sine theta, we have it. Now 1 minus sine theta, we have to express cos theta in terms of sine theta. Now cos theta in terms of sine theta is what? So I am doing here, that is equal to cos theta in terms of sine theta, isn't it? 1 minus sine square theta square root. So cos square theta is 1 minus sine square theta. Therefore cos theta will be square root of 1 minus sine square theta. and numerator remains 1 plus sine theta. 1 plus sine theta. All right. Now doing it further. Okay, now you see. So denominator we need root over 1 minus sine theta, root over 1 minus sine square theta. But we need 1 minus sine theta. So this one we can factorize. 1 minus sine square theta we can factorize 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta. So 1 plus sine theta into, so using a square minus b square formula, a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b, the root sign remains. So 1 minus sine theta. Okay, so this is the denominator, a minus a square minus b square formula, and numerator is what? 1 plus sine theta. Okay, now denominator we got root over 1 minus sine theta, so this one we have it, but this one we don't need. Now this we can cancel with this one. Okay, so next step I'll show you here. So let me show the next step here. So that is equal to what? Okay, so from here you see 1 plus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta, we can write root over 1 plus sine theta whole square, and denominator remains root over 1 plus sine theta root over 1 minus sine theta. Now numerator is 1 plus sine theta, we can write 1 plus sine theta whole square root, like suppose x you can write what? Root over x square. 5 you can write root over 5 square, like that. So this thing we are writing root over that square. All right, now this next step will be what? Yes, now see they will cancel, so this one will be root over 1 plus sine theta into root over 1 plus sine theta, and this one root over 1 plus sine theta into root over 1 minus sine theta. All right, now you see this part cancel, so what we are left with? So we are left with what? This thing. We are left with this thing. Now this thing is nothing but what? Root over, we can take that root over as common, so 1 plus sine theta by 1 minus sine theta. So this was the left hand side. So from proceeding from right hand side, we obtain the left hand side. So what was the left hand side? 1 root over 1 plus sine theta by root over 1 minus sine. So therefore finally what we get? Left hand side equal to right hand side. So proceeding from right hand side, we obtain the left hand side. So therefore left hand side equal to right hand side, and proved. Okay, so this is the way. So in trigonometric identity, remember one rule: try to express all the other trigonometric identities in terms of the simplest ones. Which are the simplest ones? Sin theta and cos theta. Now if sin theta and cos theta are there, do not touch. All the others you convert to sin theta cos theta, then go on simplifying. You are bound to get the answer. Okay, so next again a trigonometric question. Okay, next also one trigonometry question. So this is number 4. Number 4, let us see. So if 5 cot theta, if 5 cot theta equal to 12, if 5 cot theta equal to 12, find sin theta and sec theta. So that is a question. So 5 cot theta equal to 12, find sin theta and sec theta. Now you can do this using a triangle or using formula. Sometimes in the question it is mentioned, use triangle to do it, then you have to use a triangle. Or some other times it may be mentioned, use trigonometric identities, then you cannot use a triangle, you have to do by using the formula or identities. Okay, but the easiest method is what? Using a triangle. Okay, now let us see this triangle. This is a right angle triangle and this thing is theta, this angle is theta. Okay, Now see what is given. Given 5 cot theta equal to 12. That means cot theta equal to 12 by 5. Now cot theta is what? Cos theta by sin theta. So that is equal to 12 by 5. Okay. So this ratio is 12 by 5. Now cos theta by sin theta is 12 by 5. Now cos theta, and okay, now we can do one thing. So cos theta, this we can do directly from here. So we need not convert to cos theta. Now cot theta is 12 by 5. Now cot theta is what? In the triangle, cot theta is base by perpendicular, isn't it? Base by perpendicular, or you can say adjacent by opposite. So that is equal to 12 by 5. Now this is adjacent, this is the hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse, this is the base, and this is the perpendicular. So this is the angle theta, this is base or adjacent, this one, and this is opposite or perpendicular, So that is equal to given 12 by 5. So that means this one we can take base or adjustment, we can take as 12. So this you can take as 12, and this perpendicular or opposite we can take as 5. So that is the thing. So we are using a triangle. So cot theta is base by perpendicular or adjacent by opposite, that is equal to 12 by 5. Now perpendicular or opposite is 5, this one, and base or adjacent, that is 12. Now using Pythagoras theorem we can find h, hypotenuse. So what is the hypotenuse? This is square, that is 25 plus 144. That means root over 169. That means 13. So this hypotenuse is equal to then 13. So using Pythagoras theorem, we have found h. H is root over this square plus this square. So we got 13. Okay. Now we can find out anything. We can find out any other ratio, sine, cos, tan, cosec, whatever you want. So therefore, what will be sine theta? So therefore, sine theta will be what? Sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse or opposite by adjacent. That means 5 by 13. 5 by 13. So sine theta is this by this, that is 5 by 13. And then sec theta. So what will be sec theta? Sec theta equal to what? 13 by 12. That is sec is inverse of cos. So cos is b by h. Therefore sec will be h by b. That means 13 by 12. So 13 by 12. Okay. Sec is 13 by 5. Sec is 1 by cos. Yes. Okay. So that is the thing. So we have used a triangle. So using the triangle, we found the hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem. Then we have to find sine theta. Sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. That means 5 by 13. 5 by 13, and sec theta. Sec theta is cos theta is base by hypotenuse, 12 by 13. So it will be 13 by 12. So that is the answer. All right. Okay. Now the next question. Now question number 5. All right. Okay, this is number 4. Then come to number 5. Yes. So this is number 5. So you have to find the relation. Find the relation between x and y. Between x and y. If this point xy is equidistant from, this is from coordinate geometry, equidistant from 7, 1 and 3, 5. 7, 1 and 3, 5. All right. Okay, now, so this is the diagram, you see. Now for this question, you have to draw a diagram that will help you. So this is point xy, and these are the 2 points given, what, 7, 1 and 3, 5. Suppose this is 7, 1 and this is 3, 5. All right. Suppose this point is P, this point is A, this point is B. Now these 2 points are equidistant from this, or this point is equidistant from these 2. That means PA equal to PB. So PA equal to PB. So P is equidistant. P is equidistant. So this point P, suppose P is equidistant from these 2, A and B. That means PA equal to PB. Now you have to use distance formula. All right. So PA equal to PB. According to question, PA equal to PB. Now using distance formula, what you get? PA equal to x minus 7 whole square, x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square, isn't it? That is equal to root over x minus 3 whole square, x minus 3 whole square. So PB, what is PB? X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. So using distance formula, so x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square, so that is PA. And what is PB? X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Okay. Now just square both sides to remove the root sign. So this root signs will go if you square both sides. Then simplify. So this is x square plus 49 plus minus 7x plus y square plus 1 minus 2y, that is equal to x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 25 minus 10y. All right. So next you get this x square cancel with x square, y square cancel with y square. Okay. So what remains? Minus 7x minus 2y plus 50. And this side what remains? Minus 6x minus 10y plus 34. Okay. Then this minus 6x comes, minus 6x comes, oh, this is not 7x, this is 14x, because 2 into 7, 14x, okay. So x square minus plus 49 minus 14x, okay. Then minus 14x plus 6y, that is minus 8y, minus 8x, so this is 14x. Minus 14x plus 6x, that is minus 8x, minus 2y plus 10y, bring this side, so it will be plus 8y. Then 50 minus, this is plus 16 equal to 0. Now dividing by 8, so what do you get then? Minus x plus y plus 16 equal plus 2 equal to 0. Dividing by 8, simplify the equation, dividing by 8 equal to 0. So therefore we get the final relation, what? X minus 2 equal to y. X minus 2 equal to y. This is the relation between x minus y equal to 2. Change the sign, x minus y minus 2. So x minus y equal to 2, taking the number to the right side. So x minus y equal to 2, that is the answer. So find a relation between x and y. So relation is always in terms of an equation. You see, whenever you want to find a relation, remember you have to find an equation. So find the relation. So we got a relation, that is an equation involving x and y. So x minus y equal to 2 using what formula? Distance formula. So PA equal to PB. Okay. All right, that is number 5. Now the last one for today. Let us see the last question for today. These 4 points are given. So A equal to 2 minus 2, B equal to 1410, C equal to 1113, and D equal to minus 1, 1. So these 4 points are given on the Cartesian plane. Now you have to prove, you have to check whether they are vertices of a rectangle. So the question is, check whether these points are vertices of a rectangle. So which are the points? 2, minus 2, then 14, 10, then 11, 13, and minus 1, 1. So taken in order, ABCD. ABCD is the quadrilateral. So you have to check, you have to find out whether this is this quadrilateral is a rectangle. Now, if ABCD to be a rectangle, then what will happen? What must be proved? The opposite sides equal and diagonals equal. Opposite sides equal and diagonals equal. All right. For that purpose, we have to use distance formula and find all the 6 sides, 4 sides and 2 diagonals. Okay. Now let us use distance formula. Let us use distance formula to find AB, BC, CD, AD, then the 2 diagonals AC and BD. We have to find all the 6 sides. Okay. Now what will be AB using distance formula? So AB will be 12, 144. So 14 minus 2, 12. 12 square is 144. 10 minus 2, 12. 12 plus 144. So that means you get 2 into 44, that is 12 root 2. 12 root 2. Then BC. So BC, let us see what? 14 minus 11, 3. 3 square 9 plus 10 minus 13 minus 3. Minus 3 square 9. 9, 9, 18. So it will be 3 root 2. Then this one, CD. CD, let us see. 11 minus 12, 144 plus 13 minus 1, 12, 144. So you see that is equal to like this one, 12 root 2. Okay. Then AD, what is AD? AD is 2 minus 1, 3. 3 square 9 plus minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 3 square 9. So you see like this, 3 root 2. Okay. Then AC, this A and C. A and C. AC will be 11 minus 2, 9. 9 square, 81. 81 plus 81 plus 13 plus 15. 15 square, 225. So that is equal to, what do you get? 306. 306. Then BD. BD. Okay. So 14 by 15. So 15 square is 225 plus 11 square BD. So 10 minus 1, 9. 9 square, 81. So like this one you see. So we got root over 306. So you see what we have found. Look here. We have found these 2 sides equal, these 2 sides equal. So what we have got? We have got these 2 equal. That means AB equal to CD. So we have got AB equal to CD and we have got these 2 equal. These 2 equal means BC equal to AD. BC equal to AD. Alright. And we have got the 2 diagonals AC equal to BD. So diagonals AC equal to BD. So this is a quadrilateral, you see. This is a quadrilateral. So A, B, C, D. What we have found? AB equal to CD. So these 2 are equal. And then BC equal to AD. BC equal to AD. So this BC equal to AD. And what we have found? Diagonal AC equal to diagonal BD. So therefore, what is our conclusion? Therefore, ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is what? Is a rectangle. So in order to prove rectangle, you have to prove opposite sides equal and the 2 diagonals equal. Okay. All right. So these are few questions which are quite common in exam. So I hope they will help you in your exams. Okay. Okay. Goodbye today.